Hi, I'm Rachel and welcome to my outdoor adventure review channel. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Fireside Outdoor Trailblazer Personal Fire Pit and Grill, along with their Ember Mat. First, we'll talk about the Ember Mat. It is 68 by 60 inches. It has some reflective material around the outside edge, along with some grommets so that you can strap it down in windy conditions. And you can put any fire pit on here as long as the bottom of the fire pit is 10 inches from the mat. The purpose of an ember mat is to catch any sparks that come off of a fire and to protect your ground. If you have a fire pit on a deck, or maybe your mom's fancy landscaping rocks and you don't want to damage those, that is where the Ember Mat comes into play. Now for the Trailblazer Personal Fire Pit and Grill.
The carrying case is made of ballistic nylon with a very heavy-duty YKK zipper and adjustable strap. The inside of the bag is coated in a urethane, which makes it easy to clean and also increases the durability. The Trailblazer Plus Grill comes with the heat shield, grill grate, collapsible frame, 4 Ember Guards, and the fire mesh. The collapsible frame is made of anodized aluminum and stainless steel rivets. The heat shield is made of aluminum, fiberglass, and high-temperature resistant hook and loop straps. You would use it on surfaces like grass, wood decks, your mom's landscaping rocks, public lands, without leaving burn marks. The Ember Guards contain the fire and keep hot coals from rolling out onto the ground, and the fire should be kept 1 inch away from the guards to allow proper airflow. The grill grate is rust resistant and made of SGS certified food grade 304 stainless steel, which allows it to tolerate intense heat. The fire mesh is a woven screen made of stainless steel and contains 99% of the fire's ash. The mesh can easily hold up to 45 pounds of wood, charcoal, wood pellets, or paraffin wax logs, and you should never use color changers. To get the most out of the fire mesh, you should rinse it before packing and storing. It does come with a 50 fire or 1 year warranty, but it can burn 100 fires if it's cared for properly. The Trailblazer comes with a lifetime guarantee on the frame, Ember Guards, and folding grill.
It is 12 by 12, and the grill is 11 by 11. You have to order the package that comes with the grill if you want the grill. But this grill can hold up to 25 pounds, so you can put your cast iron on here if you want. And what's nice about this is that it's convenient if you're in a snow-covered area or a place that has fire pits and they're kind of questionable looking. A personal fire pit might be an option for you. This fire pit weighs approximately 3.2 pounds. This is going really well. As you can see, you can put some pretty heavy logs on here. So we will let that do its thing, die down, and then come back with our burgers. Put this on here. All I have is cheese and tomato. That should do just fine. Looks good to me. Let's give it a try. fire's going pretty serious. Okay, and that is my review on the Fireside Outdoor Trailblazer Personal Fire Pit and Grill, as well as the Ember Mat. You could see how when I was cleaning the grill, some large embers fell onto the mat, and it just puts a little burn mark on there, but it does not burn through. If you like this video, please let me know in the comments below. Please consider subscribing, and if you like this, give me a thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. You can see the reflective material. It's like a rainbow in the sun. It's so cool.